What's up, you guys? Captain Cody Davis back with you guys again for another video here, another episode of Tight Splice Charters. And just got done editing this one and got something a little bit different for you guys here, but definitely something that I had a ton of fun making. We went ahead and left the flipping and frogging rods at home for this one, grabbed a couple of light spinning outfits, and went and did some backwater snook fishing with my good buddy, Capt DJ Timms. A lot of you that have fished with me maybe are familiar with who DJ is. He's a South Florida guide down here, works for Bass Online, guides a ton down in the Florida Everglades for peacock bass. He guides a ton in the wintertime and really just all year long out on Lake Okeechobee. And he offers all kinds of different trips. Another kind of unique thing he offers is shooting iguanas out of trees with high-powered air rifles. So if there's any of you that wish to do that, definitely look up his information, which will be in the description below. But he's got a flat/bay style boat like I do, which just offers so many different opportunities to fish for everything down here in South Florida. And he's a good buddy of mine. So a lot of you have maybe fished with Captain DJ that wished to fish with me, but I may have been booked already for the dates that you were inquiring about. So I always send my customers 3 or 4 different guides information. And Captain DJ is always on that list. So, he's a good buddy of mine and just always fun to get out on the water with him. So we're in our slower months here as South Florida guides, so which gives us a little bit of more freedom. We get more, I shouldn't say more freedom, but we have more off days than we typically do, which enables us to go experiment with new water, new techniques, and just go fish some different stuff, which is kind of what me and DJ have been doing. But DJ is much more in tune with his electronics, meaning in my case, he has electronics on his boat. You guys know I don't. And he went and fished an area that we like to snook fish a lot. And when he sent me a video that looked like this, I was like, yes, as soon as our off days line up, we're going to do that. And our off days lined up the other day, and we went and did some of that. What was cool is, DJ doesn't have as much experience snook fishing as I guess I do, being that I grew up on the coast. So with his knowledge of like how to work these electronics and how to really dial them in, and I feel like how I look at snook and how they set up on the coast and where I'm from, we were able to just put those together and we had one of the best snook days I've ever had for a couple of reasons. Super fun. I grew up on the coast fishing you always joke, we're fishing for the state record or the world record every time we go out. Heavy tackle, big current, fishing around bridges, sea walls, docks and jetties. So we're beefing up our tackle to really pull these big fish out of the heavy structure and things. But anytime I get to just go out with a 10-pound outfit and just have fun with ultralight tackle with these fish, I eat it up. I absolutely love it, and this was one of those days. So dialed some stuff in, figured a bunch of fish out, a bunch of different areas out, and we caught well over 30 snook this day. Now you're just going to see a fraction of what we caught for a couple of reasons. A, I don't feel like editing that much video, and B, there was a couple of key little spots we found that we don't really want to give out to the public, and not going to disclose where we're at in this video or anything like that. If you guys wish to go do this, just give either me or DJ a call, and we can go make this stuff happen. Super fun. I definitely recommend it to you guys if you've never caught a snook. They're a blast to catch, and I've been obsessed with them since I was like 8 years old. So got on the boat with DJ and made a little bit of a long drive, but it was definitely worth it. So check it out. Obviously, DJ's information also will be in the description below. And let me know what you guys think and if you want to see more content like this on the channel. I'm going to go mow my lawn before it starts downpour raining, but I will see you guys on the next video. Later. Did you catch one here yesterday?
Yeah,
there he is. It's a snook. GoPro off. It's a decent one too.
Yeah. There's some more right there underneath us.
Yeah. That's not good, DJ. First cast.
First cast. They're still here though. That's a nice one.
He didn't really fight. I hooked him, turned my GoPro off, turned it back on. All right, time to go home.
Yep. River snooky.
Best, worst lure ever invented. Hold him up to this camera. All right, first cast, freshwater snook. Long, skinny guy, but hopefully we catch about 25 of these today. Hopefully.
Nice and short.
Yeah. Oh, he's on it. Got him. Oh, I got it on camera. It was sick. Oh, I got it on camera. It was sick. Oh, come on. That was freaking crazy. Yeah, I had to have. Holy, dude, I was reeling it in and it just... Oh, dude, they're piled under the boat. Drop.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my God. I can't tell if he's really big. He felt really small. Yeah, I'll land this. Don't worry about me. Look at that.
You brought him out with you.
That's what it is, isn't it? But he feels heavy.
Dude, he looked, when he rolled, he looked like he had a pretty good sized back on him.
That's super light line. A lot of times if you hook a really big one on a light tackle, they just... You marking them? You marking mine on there? Yeah, there he is.
Yeah. He's good. He's good.
Gotta play these fish super, super light on this light tackle. Oh, it's not even that big.
No.
It's a good one. I'm proud to have him. But, God, he fought. Got him. Snook number, I don't know what, 2 or 3. There's a bunch of them down there. They're just really hard to get to commit, but pretty fish. Fun on light tackle. I don't know how long that fish is. What do you think, 28?
Oh, yeah.
27? All right, get her back in. Hey, you settle down there, Mr. Snooky. There you go.
Nope. We got that on camera though. Yesterday was dead foot calm. say, get that ledge. That ain't a ledge. That ain't the ledge. Oh, balls. Poop manure.
It's a good one. You think? My GoPro wasn't recording. This one is though. It's so cool getting to catch them that deep.
I know.
On a light tackle. Like when we do it on the coast, we're using, you know, heavy spinners or and you just, yeah, like when you're catching them like
you're trying to get them out of the rocks, the bridges, and everything.
Yeah, usually they're a lot bigger too. You know, this is awesome though.
They're bigger than what I usually catch on the coast when I go around the mangroves though.
I think that's a good one.
Yeah, it is a good one. My arm's tired, I tell you that. I might have to take a break.
Pass the belt. Hit the fucking belt. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Sir, look at him. Looked like he was just pissing.
All right. We is in the meat. 8-pound test.
Sir.
All right. Yeah, man. And there's like 15 more of them down there. Oh, you're gonna kill them. Oh, there's one coming to it too. Get him, dude. Good one. What? It's a good one. Yeah. Yeah. We done got him. Ice fishing for snook. I told you the damn TE.
Yeah.
That is
look
the
at
big,
how you ate it.
Gone. Yeah. They're all good
Out here
fish.
at an undisclosed location.
What?
Catching some snook.
Yeah. Good one. That's freaking just smacking and dabbing them. There's a whole pile of them out here. We're not having much current, so they're not really holding very well, but super cool fish. Take my time to let her go so I don't get eaten. 45 feet of water though. God dang, they're down there though. There's one.
Oh, it starts with one.
was gonna say, see if you throw this way, the wind catches your line. I just grab them back here. You can get on your post. Oh yeah! Come here, Mr. Snooks. Oh. God, he wouldn't come home. Again, I don't know what number fish that is. How many have we caught?
Good question.
I don't know. What? We've lost count, but this is insane. They're all good fish. I have to slot fish, but go ahead and let her go. Ouch. Pulling these fish out of some deeper water and fishing light lines, so you want to take your time reviving them. See them? Oh yeah, right there. Ouch. Bunch of them. Were. What?
I had a hit.
Did you?
Yeah.
See your bait. Ooh, there they are to the right. Got him on the 3-inch. This is on my bigger rod. He choked it though. It's gone. Oh, nope, sure don't. That was 40-pound too, but he had that thing choked.
Yeah, he did.
Yep. 3-inch NLBN. Yeah, see, there's current coming through here now. damn, they're over there. DJ's hogging all the good spots. That's a big one. That's heavy.
I'm trying to like lay into them and it ain't working.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Do we got us a 30-pound catfish?
Yeah. Sea bass.
Dude. Didn't look that big. Now he's just strong as hell. Doubled up. Doubled up.
Freaking swallowed it.
Oh, we'll get two in the net. They're right on them rocks. That'll work.
That'll work.
Stupid. Oh.